Similar to spermatogenesis, oogenesis occurs within an oogonia in the ovary. This is a diploid cell, and these cells were formed during embryonic development in the yolk sac. So as you go from an embryo to a fetus, these structures were developed and actually went through the beginnings of meiosis. So begin an oogonia or oogonium goes through that cell division process called mitosis, where we get a diploid, 2 sets of chromosomes, primary, first oocyte. Now, interestingly, during fetal development, these begin to go through the process of meiosis 1. To begin this process, can't quite see that there. Begin the process and pause. And then at puberty, these primary oocytes, which are essentially inside of, I should have added that in there somewhere, but inside of the follicle, when those hormones are released at puberty, like follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, one of those primary oocytes is chosen to begin or selected to begin that process of development. After meiosis 1, we would end up with a haploid secondary oocyte and a smaller structure called a polar body. What was the point of that? Well, it was a place when these chromosomes separated, one set went to the secondary oocyte, the other went to the polar body, because our goal is to create a very large cell, a large mature ovum. If after ovulation, when this cell is released, if sperm is not present in the uterine tube, this cell may never finish meiosis 2. Well, it won't finish meiosis 2. If sperm is not present, it will simply be absorbed or released to the body during menstruation. But if sperm is present, and that oocyte is fertilized, fertilization, then this set and this set join together. This quickly finishes meiosis 2. You may end up with another polar body for those chromosomes, and you get, at this step, once that acrosome releases those chromosomes and these fuse together, a zygote with 2 sets of chromosomes. Can you see that? And so it goes through the stage, oogonia goes through mitosis to get a primary spermatocyte. Through process of meiosis 1, after puberty, we get secondary oocytes. If fertilization occurs, it finishes meiosis 2, only if fertilization occurs. Because it's been fertilized, we get back to 2 sets of chromosomes, 2N diploid, and we call this now a zygote.